Hi, so today we're going to be changing the filter in the return duct, also known as the return register. First thing you need is to make sure you have the correct filter. I have here a HDX Home Depot filter that's in the 12 by 24 by 1 inch thickness size, 24, 12, 1. It is an FPR7 rating. Some of them are also listed in MERV, MERV ratings. You can find a conversion chart at the bottom of this video. This is a mid-range filter. Generally speaking, you don't need the higher end filters. They're more expensive. They actually put a little bit more wear on your blower, in your air handler, and you don't really get that much more from it. They're more for if you have maybe certain people with allergens in your home, or you have certain smoke or odor issues. Set up your ladder, and we're going to go out. One thing I like to do that is different from what most a lot of websites recommend is I actually prefer to leave the blower on. We're not working, by the way, near any electrical equipment or anything like that. But most will say turn it off. I prefer to actually intentionally turn the blower on. The reason for that is I just opened my cover and the filter is not falling down on me and all the dust isn't coming out because the air is still being pushed up through the filter. Now, usually the concern with leaving your blower on is that once you take it off, a bunch of dust is going to get sucked in. So keeping that in mind, all you have to do really is just be careful and don't flip it around. And I actually find that it helps control the dust. It keeps the dust from coming out in directions that you don't want it to come out. And as long as you kind of keep it just so, we're able to remove our filter, then flip it upwards, without the dust coming out and being sucked up into the system and then blow around your house.
Before I put the new filter in, you can see the difference between the old and the new. I like to write down the date with a Sharpie on each one. It's been 4 months in this case. Here's the old one, there's the new one. You can clearly tell that the new one is quite a bit cleaner. You don't have to do 4 months. A lot of people will do it at 3. Some people do it longer. Our house isn't that dusty. We have a lot of hardwood floors, so I've done it at 3, and it just doesn't have that much dust yet. I prefer 4.
Okay, so now that we have our new filter, make sure that you have it facing the right direction. There are arrows that show the airflow, and since this is a return duct, the air is of course flowing inwards, so you want the arrow to face inwards. That way the metal mesh here is facing the inside of the duct. Think of it as the mesh is preventing this cloth, essentially, or paper material from pushing through. And again, since I have my air blower on, this is all I have to do. It's stuck. It pulls it right up itself. Just sucks it right up. We're done. Put the cover back on. Close the tabs. That's it. Do your next one. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to subscribe.